Welcome back to AI Mind Studio. So far, we've explored artificial intelligence, machine learning, neural networks, deep learning, computer vision, NLP, and CNNs. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and powerful areas of AI, generative AI. This is the technology behind tools like ChatGPT, image generators, music AI, and even code writing assistants. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand what generative AI is, how it works, and why it's changing the world. What is generative AI? Generative AI is a powerful type of artificial intelligence that can create entirely new content. This includes text, images, audio, video, music, and even computer code. Instead of just analyzing existing data, generative AI learns patterns from massive data sets and then generates original outputs that resemble human creativity. In simple terms, generative AI doesn't just think, it creates. How generative AI is different. Traditional AI systems focus on analyzing and predicting outcomes from data. Generative AI goes a step further. It doesn't just analyze, it produces new data. This means AI can now write stories, design images, compose music, and assist with creative tasks that were once possible only for humans. That's what makes generative AI revolutionary. How generative AI works. So, how does generative AI actually work? First, the model is trained on massive data sets, often billions of examples. It learns statistical patterns, structures, grammar, and context from that data. When you provide a prompt only, the model uses probability to predict and generate the most likely next output. Over time, techniques like fine tuning and reinforcement learning improve accuracy, safety, and usefulness. That's how a simple input turns into intelligent creative output. Core models behind generative AI. Different types of models power generative AI. Large language models, or LLMs, generate text like the GPT series. Diffusion models are used for images, gradually turning noise into detailed visuals. And GANs, or generative adversarial networks, use two neural networks. One generates content while the other evaluates it. Together, these models form the backbone of modern generative AI. Examples of generative AI. You may already be using generative AI without realizing it. ChatGPT generates human-like text. Image tools like DALL-E create visuals from simple text descriptions. There are AI systems that generate music, videos, voiceovers, and even entire applications. These tools showcase how AI creativity is becoming part of everyday life. Generative AI is already transforming industries. In content creation area, it helps write articles, social media posts, and designs. In software development, it assists with code generation and debugging. In healthcare, it supports drug discovery and personalized medicine. In education, WIS, it enables tutoring and customized learning. And in marketing IAS, it creates personalized ads and visuals. The applications are growing rapidly. Benefits of generative AI. The benefits of generative AI are game changing. It saves time by automating repetitive creative tasks. It boosts creativity by generating ideas instantly. It democratizes access. Anyone can create professional quality content. And it scales innovation, helping businesses and individuals move faster than ever. This is why generative AI adoption is accelerating worldwide. Challenges and risks. Despite its power, generative AI also comes with challenges. Models can reflect biases present in training data. They can generate misinformation or misleading content. There are ethical concerns around copyright, deepfakes, and job displacement. To address these issues, researchers focus on better data curation, safety mechanisms, and responsible regulations. What's next? And that's your beginner friendly introduction to generative AI. You now understand what it is, how it works, its benefits, and its challenges. In the next video, we'll explore prompt engineering, the skill of communicating effectively with generative AI to get the best results. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to AI Mind Studio, where we learn AI from zero, step by step.